Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link your bank account to Fundrise. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to link your bank account to your Fundrise account. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser, go to www.fundrise.com, click Login at the top right corner, enter your account credentials to access your account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and the drop-down menu will appear, including Profile and Preferences, Settings, and Logout. Select Settings. Now, a window will appear, which has appeared, with options in the left navigation menu, including Account Nickname, Reinvestment, Funding Sources, Advanced Options, Profile, and Preferences. In the left navigation menu, click on Funding Sources. This section is specifically for managing bank accounts and other funding-related actions. Within the Funding Sources section, look for this option that says Add Bank Accounts. Click on it. Then, you can go ahead to start the process of linking your bank account to Fundrise. So I'm just going to go X on this because I don't need to split. So now you have the option to link a bank account with Plaid or enter a bank account manually. So let's say you clicked on Enter Bank Account manually. A secure window will appear, prompting you to enter details for your bank account. So go ahead and follow the prompt to enter your bank account login credentials. Okay, that's not login credentials for using Plaid, but this one. Enter your account type, your bank, routing number, account name, and confirm your account number and select continue or go back. If you're using Plaid, link a bank account with Plaid, you can just go ahead and, of course, what is Plaid? Plaid is a secure service that allows you to connect your bank accounts by logging into your bank's online portal. So if you're using Plaid, just go ahead and click on continue and follow the prompts to enter your bank login credentials. That's it. Once you've entered your bank details, Fundrise may initiate a verification process to confirm ownership of the account. This may involve either instant verification if using Plaid or micro deposits. For micro deposit verification, Fundrise will make 2 small deposits into your bank account, which you will need to confirm by entering the deposit amounts on Fundrise once they appear in your account. This may take 1 to 2 business days. And after verifying your bank account, return to Funding Sources section and check that your bank account is now linked. Your bank account will be available for transactions, such as making investments or requesting withdrawals. Following these steps will link your bank account to your Fundrise account, allowing you to invest or fund investments and receive withdrawals seamlessly. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.